Hello, friends, and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani, and this is the 2 Minutes Money and Personal Finance Show. The segment is Ask Me Anything on Personal Finance. Yesterday, we were understanding the difference between the different types of health insurance policies, the indemnity policy, the benefit policy. We understood what the indemnity policy does. It pays us for the actual expenses incurred by us on treatment slash hospitalization. This is what an indemnity policy does. A benefit policy, on the other hand, pays us a full lump sum of the sum insured of the policy, irrespective of the amount spent on treatment of that illness. A classic example of that type of policy is a critical illness policy. What does a critical illness policy say? How does it work? A critical illness policy says that the insured will be paid the full sum insured of the policy upon contracting and surviving 30 days of the illness when it was contracted. Let's understand. Let's say you have a critical illness policy of 5 lakh rupees, and on 1st January you were diagnosed with cancer. You have to survive till 31st January to claim 5 lakh rupees for having been diagnosed with cancer. You got admitted to hospital, you spent 2 lakh rupees. This policy is going to pay you 5 lakhs. Why? Because it's a benefit policy. It pays you the full sum insured upon you getting diagnosed with a critical illness and surviving 31 days. That's how a benefit policy works. There are many types of benefit policies. We will discuss them in the next episode. In today's episode, it's important to understand that a critical illness policy pays you for this particular type of critical illness. What are the other critical illnesses? Well, there are some policies which pay you for 6 illnesses, 10 illnesses, 30 illnesses. I recently came across a policy which identified 36 critical illnesses, many of whom were some things which I have never even heard of. Typical critical illnesses are cancer, heart surgery, lung failure, kidney failure, lung collapse, stroke, many more. A critical illness policy is a classic example of a benefit policy which will pay you the full sum insured irrespective of the amount you've paid on the treatment of that disease.